If you think being a queen is all about fancy crowns, wait till you hear about Cleopatra. She was smart and brave and loved surprises. Ready to meet her? Cleopatra was the queen of ancient Egypt over 2,000 years ago. Wow, that's super old. She wore golden crowns and even sailed on a boat made of gold. Can you imagine? Pause, splash sound. Cleopatra spoke lots of languages. Some say up to 9. That's like saying hello in 9 different ways. She loved learning and reading, and people thought she was really clever. Cleopatra had a pet sphinx, just kidding. But she did love animals, and even dressed up as a goddess to show her power. Pause, meow sound. She wasn't just famous for being a queen. She made big decisions and cared about her people. So next time you see a pyramid, think of Cleopatra, the amazing queen who ruled Egypt her way. Would you want to be a queen or king someday?